From some of the documentation I've read, supposedly the max hammer strokes permit you can do on it is 387, something like that. So. Oh, and supposedly you can take a 6-inch bar or a 2.5-inch square bar, and that's 6 inches long, and you're supposed to be able to draw that out to 2 foot in one heat with this, according to an advertisement. And for it, I haven't tried that out yet, but that maybe I'll have to try that sometime and see how. Well, we'll see how it